eReservation is part of an application design in SharePoint solution. The homepage of eReservation is a calendar view of resource booking status. You can view past and future resource slots by clicking Next and Previous buttons here. Manage your resources such as office facilities like meeting rooms or office devices such as projector from the Resources Master File link on the left panel. In this demo, we will use meeting room as an example. Fill up the information such as name of meeting rooms, person in charge, and the contact number and etc. on this form. In the description field, if you leave it blank, anyone is allowed to book this meeting room. Otherwise, this meeting room can be only booked through person in charge as stated here. The sequence field will determine the order of all meeting rooms available. Click Save button after all information is filled up. Let's go back to reservation calendar page. Newly added meeting room is now ready to be reserved. Click on a day in the calendar to make the reservation. Fill up necessary information such as the name of event, the date, and the time, and so on. The recurrence feature is available. Click Yes to activate the frequency, the start date and the end date, and also the time. Description field is an option. You can add description if needed. Click Save button to reserve this meeting room. Now the new reservation is added to the calendar. Mouse over the reservation title to see the information in details. You can see the calendar has been marked with the same event if recurrence is enabled in this event. Let's say you want to change the time of the recurrence event on a particular week. Navigate using the Next and Previous button to go to the week and the date in the calendar. Then select on the existing reservation. Click on it to make necessary changes. Click Save button when changes is done. Mouse over to see the details of your changes. The changes made will not affect the other reservations' recurrence. To make changes on all the existing reservation that has recurrence enabled, you will have to delete the current reservation and create a new reservation. This is how to delete current reservation on the particular day only. After confirmation of delete action, the reservation is disappeared from the calendar. Only the particular reservation will be deleted. Sign in using a different user account. This user can see the reservation booked by others, but he or she cannot make any changes. See what would happen if reservation date and time are the same. Firstly, create a new reservation on the selected day. And then create another reservation on the same day on the same time. See, the error will confirmed because of the conflict in date and the time occurred in this reservation. Back to the reservation calendar. The first meeting room highlighted with different color on this current user means that the current user can't make reservation here. He or she has to check the details for instruction as stated in the pop-up message which generated from the description field as shown earlier. So this is how the eReservation system works.